What do you do when it's hot outside? If you're like most people, you turn on the AC to keep cool in your home, or head to a coffee shop to escape the heat. The thing is, there are plenty of times when the weather prevents you from heading inside. It might be too hot or humid outside to travel comfortably, or maybe just not convenient to go somewhere indoors. Breeze Nova. The portable air conditioner aims to improve living comfort by releasing an inviting cool breeze. Designed with unique features such as air conditioning mode and 2 different fan speeds, and a Bluetooth speaker for continuous play, no matter where you are, it offers amazing convenience. With an extremely quiet operating noise at 48 decibels, you can easily enjoy sleeping with your device running. A conveniently attached exhaust hose is added to direct any heat from the device out your window. The convenient wheels and retractable handle make it easy to carry and travel with. Breeze Nova can quickly cool down the room and is equipped with a simple touchscreen control panel. There's also a backup power bank that has 3 Type-C ports and 3 USB ports, which provide support when the power goes out. With a basic installation that only takes 5 minutes and heat drains attached already included, it guarantees effortless installation. And don't forget, this is also backed up with a mosquito repellent mechanism. Now when looking for a quality air conditioning unit, look no further than Breeze Nova.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.